Construction on the East County AWP project is full steam ahead as we head into fall. I'm Communications Specialist Alexa Bertola with this construction update. Nestled in Sycamore Canyon, the East County AWP main project site is busy with the hustle and bustle of roughly 280 workers. Nearly 90% of the concrete is poured and facility components are arriving.
Our UV system is manufactured in Canada, so we have it on site now. Our membrane filtration is coming from Japan.
The Future Education Center building is also taking shape. In the middle will be our lobby.
That lobby is really where we welcome the public to provide an opportunity to learn about the project. We will have different exhibits.
Throughout parts of Santee and Lakeside, more than 70% of the purified water and wastewater pipelines are installed. In addition, an 18-inch diameter wastewater pipeline coming in at 3,500 linear feet was pulled under the San Diego River and a nearby golf course,
which makes it one of the longest horizontal directional drill operations in our region.
Meanwhile, we're in design on another part of the project that will rehab a sewer force main and install a regional brine line. This includes about 2.6 miles within Mission Trails Regional Park.
Construction will take place along Father Junipero Serra Trail and will be completed in segments to minimize impacts.
We're looking forward to this clean, safe, and reliable drinking water to be flowing from your faucets by the end of 2026.